Hello, today we're going to talk about this word code, and we're going to see if it is okay to use the plural form, that is codes. In computer science, code is used as a mass noun, specifying the collection of instructions in a specific arrangement as a whole, and in non-specific quantity. Whether it is one line of code or 10 pages, it is still referred to as code and not the plural form codes. We can say, for example, this program code needs to be tidied up. The program has been written in machine code. Use this function in the source code to access the database. What is source code? I found this definition in the Longman English Dictionary. It is a noun that is usually singular. It is a set of computer instructions that has been written in order to create a program or a piece of software. And here we have some examples. He looked at the source code for the web page. The program can be tested without ever looking at the source code. You can copy and paste the source code above. It was found that he had shared aspects of the source code with some of the bank's competitors. The full source code for the game can be downloaded. Collocation refers to a group of words that often go together or that are likely to occur together. So we are going to see which words collocate with the noun code. It is not okay to say I designed a code for that part. Maybe in Spanish it is okay, but in English we say I have written the code for this section. So we can see that the verb write collocates with the noun code. In the other example, I shall use these codes, it is wrong. It is okay to say I shall use these scripts. And the last example is I think a code, that is wrong. The correct form is I make up different sets of programming code. So we can see that we have used sets of programming code, that is okay. And the verb make up collocates with code. And how do we know this? Because we can look up the word in the Oxford Collocation Dictionary. Here in the information box, I will write the link to this page. For example, the noun code collocates with the verb break, crack, decipher, use, writing, invent, make up. There is an example, the code was difficult to crack. Code can be used with the noun word. For example, code word, that is similar to a password. Then we have preposition, in. For example, all messages were in code. And then we can see the adjectives that collocate with the noun code. For example, a postal code, barcode, genetic code. And here we have website that collocates with the verb look for, search for, access, browse, check out, log into, log on to, look at, visit, search. I was searching this history website for something about Alexander the Great. Other verbs that collocate with website are the following: build, create, design, develop, make, set up. For example, we show you how to make your own website in 10 simple steps. And Here you have another examples of verbs that collocate with website: launch, upload, host, maintain, run, update. The preposition that collocates with website is on. So here you have an example. You can find details of all our products on our website. Finally, we have system. The adjectives that go together with system are the following: advanced system, powerful system, interactive system, online system, and so on. And then we have certain verbs that go together with system, for example, install a system, boot up a system, reboot, build, design a system, develop a system, and launch a system. And other verbs are run, for example, the system runs on this workstation. Then we have the verb crash, fail, go down. The entire computer system went down. And then we have system plus noun, for example, system software. And finally, the preposition that we use with system is in. For example, faults in the data processing system. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.